current HEX cost essentially is $0.032 HEX fall 0.29% in 7 days in a significant manner. HEX cost investigation certainly especially is negative today, or so they for the most part thought, which is very critical. First help level for HEX generally is at $0.030, which especially is genuinely critical in a significant manner. 25 November 2023, in this video we will in a real sense walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly, certainly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what fundamentally most certainly is essentially most certainly transient cost expectation for HEX, most certainly is HEX a truly wise venture? Or so they by and large thought. HEX help and obstruction levels and so on, which is very huge. In any case, prior to plunging profound into the HEX specialized examination, generally let us truly discuss the for the most part current economic situations. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there sort of basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,433,698,568,583, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The complete exchanging volume in a real sense for the most part remains at $46,102,746,854 in a very significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33% in a by and large significant manner. Which by and large most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01%, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking, or so they thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value decline of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period, which is very huge. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere near 0.1 and right now exchanging at 62 cents in a truly significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, further appearance how Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. These occasions sort of show that the market in a real sense fundamentally is going in an especially descending heading for extremely present moment, which basically is very critical. Right now, an especially broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that XRP in every practical sense, by and large local coin of XRP in a real sense is somewhere near 0.1 and at present exchanging at 62 cents in an especially huge manner. HEX help and opposition backing and obstruction by and large for the most part are significant specialized markers used to distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which shows that 25 November 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for especially genuinely 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually sort of gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is extremely transient cost expectation for HEX, truly is HEX an excellent venture, which for the most part is very huge. Which is very critical. Support certainly most certainly is a level at which purchasers especially become genuinely more especially most certainly dynamic and for the most part really prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction especially certainly is a level at which merchants for the most part become move truly dynamic and certainly especially prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an actually especially significant manner. Following really are the help and opposition levels of HEX execution. The kind of day-to-day diagram of HEX certainly shows that the HEX cost truly has a sort of descending development, with a 1.19% diminishing in fundamentally beyond 24 hours, showing how 25 November 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for fundamentally in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly generally clarified some things, facts, what especially is essentially transient cost expectation for HEX, sort of basically is HEX in every way that really matters, wise speculation. Or so they especially thought. The value worth of the hex coin fundamentally is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars in an in every practical sense significant way. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner, which is genuinely huge. Hex Value Examination Hex Cost Investigation for 25 November 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time span, explicitly made sense of beneath in a sort of significant manner. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving extremely normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including pretty basic moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to by and large, generally investigate the future development of the hex, which generally is very huge. The MACD line certainly is remaining underneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, so first help level for hex especially is at $0.030, which in a real sense, essentially is genuinely huge. Hex financial backers need to especially sit tight for any directional change over the essentially everyday diagram, genuinely further appearance how similarly, obstruction in every practical sense, is a level at which vendors all things considered, become move commonly dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in an unpretentious manner. Hex truly has certainly the essentially the closest obstruction of $0.036 in a very truly significant manner. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would by and large lift the upswing energy, so the MACD line basically in a real sense is remaining beneath of the extremely signal line after a hybrid. So first help level for hex especially is at $0.030 in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 set at $0.039, which essentially is very huge. On the other hand, assuming the financial backers really betray the hex, the truly bears could handle the market and in a real sense, take hex cost underneath the essential help level of $0.030, or so they by and large thought. While hex's Williams %R marker fundamentally is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signal truly is conceivable at this reach, showing how XRP the essentially local coin of XRP basically generally is somewhere near 0.1 and right now exchanging at 62 cents in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The truly relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the hex coin for the most part is in heading towards overbought zone, as RSI generally essentially is at 54 in a kind of truly significant manner. EN's hex especially is presently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to suggest that the digital currency by and large is in an unstable